Hey guys, today I bring for you 6 different natural hairstyle. And if you want to put color in your hair, if you want to make your hair straight, so you're going to watch this video up to end so that you can enjoy the video. You can find something to put on your hair. And I want to tell you, I'm always here to share different hairstyles, especially most video I share natural hairstyle. So guys, I hope you're going to enjoy and you're going to find here something to put on your hair. I'm bringing for you here is a natural hairstyle for lady, for girls, for teenager. So I think on this style I bring for you every age and every ready, every girl you can try for this hairstyle. I hope you're going to enjoy it. And I want to thank everyone who returned on my channel to subscribe. God bless you more. And I want to say, if your first time to find this channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and comment. And other thing, if you find something here that you should like to share, why not? Even I'm here to share with you. Even if you find something here, you can share for yourself. Okay guys, so like this one. So guys, if you have natural hair but you should like to your natural hair become soft, I can hope you can use blow dry or iron so that you can feel so comfortable with your natural hair like this one. Okay guys, I really want to thank you guys always. Anyone who return on my channel to subscribe, to like, to share. God bless you more. And if you're still new, don't forget that. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment, and share for more beautiful hairstyle on this channel. Actually, mostly I share natural hairstyle. So I hope you can enjoy it on my channel. If you want to put something on your hair, you just come on my channel to find any video you should like to watch so that you can find natural hair, any style to put on your hair. So guys, like this one, it I hope can look good on you. If we decided to use this hairstyle, you can look good, you can look simple, good, and another way you can feel so comfortable. Most important, you're to feel comfortable. If you put something on your hair but you don't feel comfortable, so guys, about this hair, actually even this hair can make you feel so comfortable, it's like your hair. So guys, I want to say, stay prepared always, anytime, any day. Jesus Christ coming soon. Okay guys, so you can see this. I hope you're going to watch. It's better to watch this video up to end because I bring for you beautiful, simple, natural hairstyle, really simple. And other thing, it can protect your hair really 100%. If you decided to use this hairstyle, it can protect your natural hairstyle. So if you're looking something to put in your hair, I hope you have to use this hair. You have to try on this. You see this? Okay guys, look at this. So guys, enjoy the video up to the end. God bless you more. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, share for more beautiful hairstyle.